Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are getting a full front end wrap on this 2019 Malibu with GSWF paint protection film. I'll put the link to their website down below if you want to go check them out. So we're going to be wrapping the bumper, upper bumper, hood, both fenders, A-pillar, partial roof, and then also luggage area in the back. So it's more than actually just a front end. But I'm going to walk you guys through and show you guys exactly what's happening here, and hope you enjoy the video. Also, go ahead, smash that thumbs up and subscribe. Alright guys, so I've got part of it done, the other side there. I'm just going to show you guys kind of what it looks like when I first lay it down. So this is kind of just laid roughly in place. As you can tell, we got our slip solution behind there. And as you come over to this, sorry about the noise of my chair. Here you can tell, I've laid it down, slip solution is all pushed out. I still got the edges to wrap here. Oh, there we go. Edges here we're gonna wrap. Other than that, this side is done. I got this to push down, and then wrap those edges post heat. That side is good. So now I'm gonna move over and do this side, and that's when I will after that go and finish this other side, and then do both my edges up throughout the whole thing, and then post heat, and then the bumper's done. Alright, so I decided I'm actually going to show you guys kind of what's going on, how I do this. I'm not going to show you the whole side, but I'll show you part of it. So if you zoom in here, I've got this in place. This is the edge. It's pretty much right lined up with this edge. So technically I could just go ahead and squeegee that right now, but what I want to do is I've got this solution called tack solution. I make the solution. Most guys that do PPF also make their own tack solution. So tack solution is it's mostly alcohol, or it's alcohol and water. Isopropyl alcohol. So what it does is it basically gets rid of the soap water, which is your slip solution, and makes it so it permanently bonds the film to the paint. So now this isn't moving around, whereas like this is moving around, right? So yeah, I do that along the top, the side, then make my way to the center. Alright, so the bumper's done other than getting some edges and stuff wrapped. I've now done the upper bumper. Now I also do just I'm waiting for these to dry a little bit, and then I will wrap these edges. But other than that, full bumper is wrapped, and then move on to the fenders next. Alright guys, I now have the front bumper completely done. Both fenders are done, as you can tell. Around here. we do have This full edge all the way around is wrapped too, so fully tucked edges, wrapped edges everywhere we can. In here it's wrapped, actually goes down till about here, wraps all the way down, and it's wrapped all the way up. Same thing here. I do need to do some minor trimming, like that right there, and a little bit more detail work there, but other than that, just the hood left to go on the front end, and then it's A-pillars and roof, and then luggage area. Alright guys, I now have the hood fully done and edges all wrapped. I'll show you guys. Can you see that? Can you see where the film ends? Probably not. Which is great, because that's what you want it to look like. So yeah, all the way around, wrapped edges. Also down or up there, we got wrapped edges. Alright guys, so I've got the whole car done, full front end like I told you was done before. Now I've got the A-pillars done up until right here. Same with the roof is done until that same mark. I also did luggage area here, so it actually goes like past inside there, but this area is covered, and then I don't know if you can see the line there. There's a line here, and then it goes till there. So putting in groceries, taking stuff in and out of the trunk will be a little less worry about having to scratch it or getting your trunk scratched. So yeah, that's it. It is done. I'm very happy with this film. This, like I said, this is the GSWF Defender series, or it's Defender Platinum series. I'll put the link in my description of this video for their website and also their Instagram, so you guys can go check them out, and if you are an installer, you can hit them up and start using their film. Also, if you guys are wanting this done and you're local to Winnipeg, Manitoba area, or more than Manitoba, hit me up. My Instagram's down below, also my email address, or my business email address. So make sure you guys go ahead, like this video, subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.